Ready?
Chal, start.
Namaste parents and students from grade 8 to 12. Tomorrow the school has hosted and is hosting and arranging a seminar cum workshop for Aero-modelling for grade 8 to 12, where we will be having Mr. Malvik Sutaria and Mr. Dhyeykumar Rathod from Sky Aviation in Ahmedabad. They will be coming down to our school. They will be providing information about what is aviation, what are the various opportunities in Air Force aviation as well as civil aviation, designing aircraft, making aircraft, creating aircraft, flying aircraft, or any job opportunities and careers in the field of aviation. They are going to give a lot of information to the students with respect to aviation as a field for employment in the future. So that will be a 2 to 3 hour workshop, and it will be followed by an aero-modeling workshop wherein they create chuck glider. So this is the chuck glider. This is what it's a wooden glider that is going to be made by the students, and it is a flying model. It is a working and flying model that has to be made from wood by the students, and the kits for the same we will be ordering as per the number of students who want to make it, and they can take it home. They will be making their own planes, decorating it, designing it and flying it by themselves. It will be a 2 to 3 hour workshop and a 2 to 3 hour seminar. So it's a full day engagement tomorrow. We hope that maximum students participate in this workshop and activity, and so that the sky is the limit for them in the future, right? To explore aero modeling, designing, making planes, flying planes. We're going to also make them experience a simulator wherein what it is like being in a cockpit and flying the plane. So all of this is going to be part of the workshop tomorrow. Make sure that all your children participate for the same. All the students who wish to make this plane need to bring rupees 900 tomorrow to the school, and you will be able to make it. The seminar portion is free, so the first 2 hours is free and compulsory for everyone, and then those of you who have paid will be able to make the planes, and then they will be spending 2 hours, more than 1.5 to 2 hours making the planes, decorating it and then flying their own planes. And it will be a good memory for the kids to have their own gliders made from MDF and wood, and which they will be able to make and fly. Thank you.